Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 10th class students, mathematics, unit number 1, quadratic equations. We will talk about quadratic equations, unit number 1. Now, exercise number 1.1, question number 3. We are going to start question number 3 today, part 1. Okay, students, what question number 3 says? Question number 3 says solve the following equations by completing square. Means in last two questions in exercise number 1.1, question number 1, we have solved questions by using pure quadratic equations and standard form. In question number 2, exercise number 1.1, we talked about the solution of questions by factorization. Now today question number 3 says that solve the quadratic equations by completing square. Students, today we will discuss about what is the completing square to solve questions, because on the very first day in our lecture we talked that there are three methods to solve quadratic equation. First is completing square, second is factorization, and third is by quadratic formula. So today we are going to discuss about completing square. Completing square is basically the rule to find the solution set of quadratic equations. It's the method to find a solution of quadratic equations. That is quadratic equation given 7x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is quadratic equation that is given to us. Okay, so we have to solve it. Solve it means we have to find its solution. Students, there are few rules to find this completing square of the given equation. First of all, it should be quadratic. It is quadratic, as you know, in standard form it is quadratic. Second step is 7x square plus 2x, that is constant. Constants should be on the other side of equality. We have to take it on the other side. It's negative 1 here, it will be on the other side positive 1. It's taken. The second step to take it on the other side. Third step, here it should be complete square. The coefficient of x square should be a complete square, but it's not complete square as it's 7. If suppose that should be 9, so it can be complete square of 3, but 7 is not complete square. If that is not coefficient of x square is not complete square, then we have to remove it. How can we remove? By dividing 7 on both sides with each term, because we want to remove it. So we will divide by 7 the whole equation. Let's see, we will divide now. 7x square by 7 plus 2x by 7 equal to 1 by 7. We have divided each term by 7 to make it 1. Cut. So what is left now? X square plus 2x by 7 is equal to 1 by 7. Okay, students, now for completing square, I think you are familiar with this formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I think you are familiar with this formula, students. So we have to make here complete square by using this side, right hand side, and understood we will get left. So we have to make right hand side here. Suppose it is x square plus a square, that is we have, plus 2ab we have to take. So 2ab we have to make from here. 2 is here, we have taken it separate. What should be a? X should be a, because a square plus b square will be here. We are not having yet. A square plus 2a into b is left is equal to 1 by 7. So how can we get b from this value? Students, b 2ab रहता है. 2ab हमने इसी टर्म के अंदर से बनाना है. 2 मैंने लिया, x मैंने लिया, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2a इंटू बी. अब b भी इसी में से लेना है. वी हैव टू टेक दैट टर्म. इफ वी विल multiply them, return value should be this one, backward value should be this one. यानी उन यहाँ पे वो टर्म्स लेनी है जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करके यही टर्म वापस आए. अब 2 भी ले लिया, x भी ले लिया, पीछे क्या बचा 1 by 7. हमने 2ab इसी में से बनाना होता है. दैट इज 1 by 7. इट्स मीन a स्क्वायर प्लस 2a इंटू बी मीन्स b we got this value. b ये है. what is left now? b square is left now. So what to do? We will plus add on both sides squaring of b. Okay, means we will add on both sides 1 by 7 whole square. Adding 1 by 7 on both sides, we have added. Students, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Sorry, here we have to add 1 by 7 whole square. It is not. Sorry, that is that. 1 by 7 was already here, but 1 by 7 whole square we have added. A square plus 2a into b plus b square. Students, the left side we have made. So what is its right side? A plus b means x प्लस बी 1 by 7 होल स्क्वायर. ये इसका कंप्लीट स्क्वायर है. दैट इज इट्स क्लोज्ड फॉर्म, इट्स ओपन फॉर्म. नाउ ऑन द अदर राइट हैंड साइड वी विल सॉल्व इट. 1 by 7 plus 1 by it's 49. Now we will 2 by a whole square is equal to, we will take LCM here. A square, that is a square plus 4. Basically students, we need here x value, so we have to remove x square whole square. How can we remove? By taking square root on both sides, so that both will be cancelled to each other, square and square root. So this is students the equation where we have to remove its square by taking square root. So we will take square root on both sides, that is cancelled. Here x plus 2 by a is equal to, students, that is a square, that is 4, but the whole term is not complete square, so we can't cut it, we can't cancel it with square root. But in the denominator it is complete square because the single term complete square, so this square can be cut with square root. A square plus 4 square root by a, it can be, because square root is removed from this term, both are cut, both are cancelled to each other. Yes, we have taken square root, so it should be in plus and minus. So we will take ones equal to positive and ones equal to negative. That will be moved on the other side. Minus 2 by a, x is equal to negative a square plus 4 by a minus 2 by a. Direct I have actually done. To solve it, this is positive sign here, so it will be negative on the other side. So x is equal to, we have taken its LCM, it has remained as it is, plus 4 minus 2. This is equal to a minus a square plus 4 minus 2. So we can arrange these values. Yes, first of all we can write negative value and then positive value. What is the difference in both x values? Here is positive, here is negative, other all values are same. So we can write solution set by combining both values. Minus 2 plus minus a square plus 4 by a. This is your solution set, students, of question number 3 part 2. Now question number 3 and 4 are as it is, as you have done question number 1 and 2. So you will do on your register question number 3 part 3 and 4, and inshallah in next lecture we will do question number 5. Till then, Allah Hafiz. So now x plus 1 by 7 whole square is equal to, we will take its LCM, that is 49. 7 times 7 plus 1, it should be x plus 1 by 7 whole square, it is 8 by 49. Now students, we need x value. So square root we have to take to remove the square on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, square is cut with square root. X plus 1 by 7 is equal to, as we know, square root 8 is, so it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 by 7 multiplied by 7. So x plus 1 by 7 is equal to its pair. It will be out and 1 will be left pair. So 7 plus minus because we have opened square root, so that's why it is plus minus 2 into this. The square root of 8 is 2 into square root 2, and square root of 49 is 7 because it's complete square. Now students, we have to make separate x equal because we need x value, and we are having two values, one is positive and one is negative. So we will take separately equal to one positive ones and then negative. X plus 1 by 7, once we will take its 2 square root 2 by 7 is equal to minus 2 square root 2 by 7. X is equal to, because that is constant, it will move on the other side. It is positive here, but here it will be negative. Same criteria we will use here. So taken its LCM. Minus 1 and 7 is so negative 1. So what can we do? We can just arrange these values. X is equal to negative first and then positive 2 by 7. X is equal to minus 1 minus 2 square root 2 by 7. Students, now we have to write its solution set by combining the values, because both are same, just sign is different, so we can combine them to write the solution set. It is solution set, students, because both values were same but the signs were different between them, so that's why we have written twice plus minus, and that is solution set of question number 1. Okay students, move towards question number 2, part 2. Question number 3, part 2. Equation is given ax square plus 4x minus a is equal to 0. Students, for completing square, what we need? We need quadratic equation first. Quadratic equation is given. It is ax square plus 4x minus a is equal to 0. Quadratic equation is given. After that, first step is we need quadratic equation, its standard form, that is okay. Second step is we have to move constant on the other side, means on right side from left side. Ax square plus 4x is equal to a, we have moved over there. The third step is we have to make it one coefficient, or if that is equal to the perfect square, means complete square, then it's okay, otherwise we have to make it coefficient 1. अगर तो इसका coefficient x square का coefficient complete square perfect square हो तो ठीक है, otherwise हमने इसको ख़त्म करना है, हमने इसको 1 बनाना है. So we will divide to make it 1, means to remove it we will divide on the both sides by a. We have divided, it will be cut, so what is left? X square plus 4x by a is equal to 1. But we need formula, here we can write a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have to make formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square, let's suppose it is x, plus we need 2, by taking common from 4 2 we can take, x is a square plus 2a into b we have to find. And how can we find? The remaining value should be b, means इस टर्म के अंदर से 2a ले लिया, जो बचा वो क्या होगा? b होगा. And what is left here? That is 2 by a. After that we will multiply it, return value should be this one, means 2 times 4x by a, so this is the return, this value. So it's mean a square plus 2a into b, it's mean b is 2 by a, so we will add it on both sides. So this is the same value, we will add 2 by a whole square, both sides, mean on left side we have added, now on right side we will also add square of b, because we need b square. So we have found a square plus 2a into b plus b square. So this is the right hand side, so we can make left hand side from this whole formula, means it's open form, and after closing, for closing, what should be? X plus 2 by a whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 times 4 by a square.